Good morning, everybody. Getting ready to tie-dye here. We got our water in there. I'm gonna put 1 cup of soda ash into the water. Okay, another cup of soda ash. Sprinkle in that cup of soda ash so we can let the start soak in here before we twist them up. Just give it a good stir. Mix that soda ash in real good. Good and mixed in there. Just want it good and mixed up. Well dissolved. Alrighty. Let's drop in some shirts. So we got a large shirt, a medium shirt, and 2 all cotton cloth masks. Get them all pushed in there so they're good and soaked and submerged. And let them soak for 15 minutes. What's up, Oslo? You ready to tie-dye?
We won't be moving anything tomorrow.
Oh, look at them. My shirts is. I guess just do a shirt now and we'll do a mask later. How about that?
Okay.
Since we don't really know how to tie the mask, you know what I mean? Oh, man, that thing's gross. Roll it up. What's this one gonna be?
I guess that'd be a zigzag.
Oh, I think you need a new pair of gloves there, babes.
I'm just folding. Oh yeah.
You know those are disposable, right? The babes just does not like to waste anything. I'm not blinded you, am I? Here come the bugs. Guess we could turn the porch light on to maybe divert them that way.
Yeah, then all the bees will come up here.
You don't come up here anyways, I got this light on. And it's much brighter than the porch light. And now it's bending time. Bending with the babeses. You're awfully quiet.
I'm just
I hear you, brother. Did y'all hear that they took the, you know, the popular, like, narrator voice for TikTok, the, like, female one that everyone uses? The lady, who actually did that voice didn't consent for it to ever be on TikTok, so I think she sued them or threatened to. Either way, TikTok has removed that, one voiceover, so now they have a new lady doing it. I kind of like that lady's voice. Dying time. Mosquito in the eye. Mosquito in the eye. Ooh.
This was not the same red you used for the other one. I think you used a different color red.
I didn't make any red.
This is pink.
Yeah. I used white red. Did I not make the pink right?
No, it wasn't that color. It was a different color.
You sure?
Yeah.
I did the same thing we did last time. A quarter teaspoon of light red. That's what we did last time, wasn't it? I will say this, there was a good amount of dye in there. Well, no, there was no dye in there. So I made it weaker than I normally do. I don't know. I was kind of thinking that too, though. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. Quarter teaspoon of light red's what I use. And the only reason I know that for sure is because we made a video out of it. Otherwise, I wouldn't be sure either. But I remember from editing it, because I actually had to change it. I had originally put fire red in the description and title. This is going to be another sunshine.
This is a great yellow.
It's lemon. Mixed proper. And this one just pops, man. It even pops on camera. These rarely ever look as good on camera as they do in real life, especially like how vibrant the colors are and things like that. But some of them get pretty close, and this is one of those. This looks pretty close. A little extra flavor on there.
I must use fuchsia or something.
We'll have to go watch it. We'll have to look when we're done here. We'll review. I honestly don't remember.
Is that the Lumi? Do you have the Lumi up?
No,
Pull it up real quick.
my phone's dead.
Okay.
Looking good. Yeah, in the morning we've got the rainbow lollipop I showed you earlier. We're gonna be rinsing it out, and maybe even rinsing out these masks that I'm about to dye, and we're about to film that too. So stay tuned. See y'all tomorrow.